Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk about my hair journey and how I discovered the benefits of holistic hair care. As someone with Afro type hair, I always struggle to find the right hair care routine. Traditional hair care products never seemed to work for me, and I found myself constantly searching for a better way to achieve stronger, healthier hair. That's when I started to learn about holistic hair care. At first, I was hesitant to try holistic hair care. I didn't fully understand the benefits, and I wasn't sure how to incorporate it into my hair care routine. However, I as I started to research and experiment, I began to see just how powerful holistic hair care can be. Holistic hair care takes a natural whole body approach to hair health using natural remedies, techniques to promote healthy hair growth and repair damage. Unlike traditional hair care products that often rely on harsh chemicals and synthetic ingredients, holistic hair care is all about using natural, organic, sustainable ingredients that nourish and strengthen the hair from the inside out. One of the main benefits of holistic hair care is that it helps to strengthen and nourish the hair, making it less prone to breakage and damage through the use of natural oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, and castor oil, as well as herbal infusions and natural treatments. Hair care can be restored to its natural state of health and vitality. For someone like me who is just starting to explore holistic hair care, it can it can be overwhelming to know where to begin. However, incorporating natural ingredients like apple cider vinegar and aloe vera and honey into my hair care routine has made a significant difference in the health and appearance of my hair. These simple ingredients work together to cleanse the hair, balance the pH level, and nourish and protect the hair follicles. As I continue to learn more about holistic hair care, my desire to grow my hair stronger and healthier and naturally without the need for traditional hair care products only grows stronger. I'm excited to continue on this journey and share what I've learned with others who may be looking for a more natural, holistic approach to hair care. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on holistic hair care. Thank you for watching.